Yo, what's the dealio, man? Listen, you already know I got a straight banger for you today, all right? So we got the small account challenge video popping off. First off, let me say nothing in this video is financial advice, all right? Nothing is financial advice. If you want financial advice, go talk to a licensed financial advisor, all right? So we got the small account challenge video. Now, yesterday was absolutely crazy day. It was a lot of opportunities to the upside and to the downside. All right. This was a late delayed Santa rally. They got a lot of people for December 31st. And then the first of the month, things blasted off, came right back down, filled some gaps, and then came right back up. All right. When you understand the game, it becomes a lot clearer for you all. So this week was also phenomenal. In total, Prosperity Collective, we absolutely killed it. I don't even know if I even lost the trade this week. We've been getting to it all week. All right. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys the Robinhood account where we at, and then we're going to break down those trades. Now let me say this: last week, on Friday, I got into a swing trade, right? IWM. It was on a failed two down, right? And this week, it was a delayed failed two down, right? It did not do what it was supposed to do, right? It was holding market structure. When it broke market structure, I had to just call it quits, right? It is what it is. I took a couple small trades today, so we're gonna get into that. But let me say this, y'all. I was getting ready to enter into a call, right? A trade before the market closed yesterday. Now, but then I was like, hold on, right? It's the first day of the year, right? Wall Street is always going to do something, play some kind of games, right? Let me just relax, right? Let me relax. I want you guys to understand the philosophy. You have a whole year, right? You have a whole year to get to the money, right? This is why I say have multiple accounts, right? The more money you get, the more accounts you're going to end up having. The more strategies you're using, you're testing, you're going to end up having more accounts, right? But do not be too hasty, right? Do not get too excited. Do not get overly confident. You see what I'm saying? I want you guys to stay locked in, stay in the pocket, right? If you killed it on Friday, I want you to take that energy and I want you to replicate that every day, because the market ain't going to be how it was today, right? Every day. The last 2 weeks, we didn't see the market playing BS games, right? And today it was very volatile, but there were a lot of opportunities, right? So do not be overconfident. You guys had a good day today or on Friday, cool. On Monday, it don't even exist, right? We still got to focus on our principles. We got to focus on the fundamentals at all times. Otherwise, the market will humble you, all right? And it's always the time when you grew your account and then you go a little bit larger in size and then the market humbles you. And you like, damn, I just lost money with a bigger account, a bigger size trade now because I don't know, right? Maybe I was being overzealous, I was being overconfident, or whatever the case is. So always have humility, not fear, but humility, right? And make sure that you guys are always doing what you need to do. All right. So with that being said, we're going to go into the account. All right. So, so we got the account right here. Today on Friday, account was up 1.35%, right? It's at 443. I took an ugly L on IWM, right? It was lost like 90 bucks, 80 bucks or something like that, right? So let's go over the past week, right? We was at four past month. We were at 531, okay? And then we dropped to 465, and then we ended up coming down to 436, right? When I lost 100, it was like 108 bucks, I guess. Let's go to the history and see. All right, we go to history and we go to IWM. It was was, got two contracts at $62 and $64. Buy, sell. All right, so I got 62, so it was 124 bucks, right, total. And then I ended up, I sold both of them, but how much did we? Oh, this was a second contract. All right, so here it goes. So I lost 98 bucks. All right, lost 98 bucks there. So that's how much I ended up losing on IWM on that swing trade. And we're gonna go over and we're gonna break it down. So then Robinhood gave me some Doge. I made a total of 11 cents profit on that. I didn't want no Doge, so I sold it. I don't care about no Doge. All right. So we had IWM here. This was on Friday, right? So I got into IWM right here, right? I bought two contracts. Total was $62. And I meant to get into a put, but this was a call because the charts was showing it was coming down. So then I was like, oh no, I did not mean to get into this this call. So I got out, made $2 there, and then I got into the put, right? I got into the put and I got two contracts for that $68. And then it came down and then I made $4. That was like, it was showing like $10, $12. I got out at market though, right? And I ended up making $4, right? That's how Robinhood is sometimes. And sometimes I don't want to put the limit order because sometimes Robinhood will take longer to get filled, and then I have to try to re-enter my price that I want to get out at. So I tried to get out at market, and then it gave me a little bit less, right? So nonetheless, on the day, the account was up 135, right? So we're gonna make this money back next week. Now that all of the holidays are done and everything like that, we're kind of in the clear now, right? So now we just have like Martin Luther King Day coming up, and then earnings season is getting ready to start as well, right? So that's the account. Now, with earnings season coming up, I want you guys to keep a couple things in mind. Premiums are going to start going up, right? On certain stocks, the closer that we get to their earnings date. So just keep that in mind. Make sure you guys are keeping in mind who has earnings the coming up week or the next couple weeks if you guys are planning on swing trading on stocks and stuff like that. All right. So now we're going to go to the charts, and I'm going to show you guys the IWM trade, that swing trade. All right. And I will say they kind of got me about 2 days after I entered. I started to see what was happening. And then I was like, all right, we gotta get up out of there. All right. It is what it is. So let's go here. All right. So we got IWM right here, right? Now, as you can see, this is a double bottom, right? Clear double bottom. But it does not have bullish divergence on the RSI, but it is a double bottom, right? So, boom. So on the daily time frame, this was last week, right? This was on Wednesday, actually, before Christmas. So I say, okay, we're on a failed 2 down here. We came up, we came down, and we consolidated right here, right? We got above this area right here. So I said, all right, cool, right? Let me zoom in a little bit more. So we consolidated and we created a failed 2 down right here. I was looking for them to, by December 31st, in the month, in the green, right, go up and then go like that, right? Now, what ended up happening? Nothing, right? It came down, and once it broke below this structure right here, I said we had to get out. So it was this day it held. The next day it came down here and we got out, right? And then as you can see, it came down, it created that double bottom. And then yesterday, which was Friday, it had a nice day here. All right. So that is the trade. That's what happened. And then if we go to the 15-minute, right here, we go to the 15-minute. I was over here. I got in that put I was talking about right here. I had got in right here and it came down. It was starting to bounce and I got out. So this was that put that I took entry on right over here. But yeah, I'm really gonna just start trading IWM. Now that we have the new year is here and stuff like that, I'm just gonna start trading IWM in a small account as long as I remember to do it, because usually the first hour and a half I'm trading in my regular account, and then by that time we're done, and then I kind of go on about my day. But I am gonna start to this year, I'm gonna focus on remembering, so that way we could actually grow this account. But nonetheless, there are a lot of lessons in this account and on these videos, so be sure to stay tuned there. All right, so with that being said, that is a small account challenge. I don't want to make this video long and drawn out more than it has to be, but this year is going to be phenomenal, guys. All right, it's going to be phenomenal. I want you guys to make sure you guys are doing what you're supposed to do. You studying, you're doing all that good stuff, and everything is going to be what it's supposed to be. All right, don't be in a rush to make money, right? Please, please, please ensure that you guys are being patient, all right? And always remember, the turtle wins the race, all right? You will not get rich in one trade, but you can blow your account in one trade, all right? It's funny how that works. All right, so like I always say, make sure you get up out your head, go get into this world, because your head is a dangerous place to live, all right? And also remember, y'all, the more you study, the less you worry. All right, y'all have a great day. Have a great weekend. I'm gonna holler at you guys on tomorrow's live. All y'all stay smooth. Peace.